In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring bills using our software, making it easier than ever to manage your regular expenses. If you're tired of manually tracking each recurring payment or simply want to streamline your process, this is the perfect guide for you. First, if you haven't yet explored this feature, you'll want to enable it. Begin by going into your settings. From there, click on Preferences and navigate over to the General section. You'll see an option for recurring bills. Just check that box and hit Save. This will activate the recurring billing functionality, setting you up to take advantage of this time-saving feature. With that out of the way, head over to the Purchases module. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and find the section labeled Recurring Bills. This is your go-to area for managing and monitoring all your recurring bill profiles. To kick things off, click on the Plus New button. This will open up a new window where you can create a new recurring bill profile. Now, let's dive into filling out the necessary information. Start by selecting the vendor for your bill. This is the company or individual who receives the payment. Next, give your recurring bill a descriptive name. This name should reflect what the bill is for, such as monthly office rent, ensuring you can easily identify it later. It's important to set the frequency for your bill generation, which you'll do in the Repeat Every section. Specify whether this should happen weekly, monthly, or yearly, depending on your particular needs. Then, decide on the start date and end date for the recurring bill profile. If you're dealing with an ongoing expense, like a rent payment, you can opt to check the Never Expires option. This keeps your bill active indefinitely until you decide to change it. Don't forget to add the specific details of the bill in the item table. Here, you'll input information such as the items involved, the quantity, and the applicable rates. This ensures you have a comprehensive view of what each bill entails, including any variables that might affect the amount. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields and double-checked your entries for accuracy, click Save to create the recurring bill profile. Now, your bills will be generated automatically according to the schedule you've set. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the risk of missing any important payments. And there you have it, a complete setup for managing your recurring expenses with ease. With these steps, you can ensure all your regular payments are handled efficiently, leaving you more time to focus on what matters most in your business or personal life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.